Did you know that just 1 spoon from your kitchen can boost the growth of all your plants? Today I'm going to share a powerful natural fertilizer trick that works for vegetables, fruits, and flowers, like tomatoes, onions, garlic, peppers, cucumbers, and many more. And the best part? You probably already have this ingredient at home. Welcome back to the channel. This simple method uses just 1 tablespoon of oats. Yes, oats. They are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, essential nutrients that help plants grow stronger, greener, and more productive. First, take 1 tablespoon of oats and grind it into a fine powder using a blender. This helps release nutrients faster into the soil. Next, mix the oat powder into half a liter of water. Let it sit for about 30 minutes so the nutrients can infuse properly. After that, strain the mixture and dilute it by adding more water until you have 2 liters of solution. That's it. A powerful homemade organic fertilizer made from just 1 spoon. Use it once every 30 days for your fruit plants, vegetables, or flowers, either before or after planting. Try this simple trick and watch your garden thrive naturally. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with your friends,